this? Why the hell will I want to put this on in the first place? Doesn't it feel uncomfortable and all that? Why would I want to wear this? Waist training is majorly for people that want an hourglass shape. Your corset is built in the shape of an hourglass. So as you train in this, you take on that curvy shape, that curvy nature. And your abdomen imitates and takes on the shape of the corset. That's exactly what it's like when you put your dough in your pan. When the pan, the bread bakes and the dough rises, it takes the shape of the pan. It's similar to what your body does with a corset. Your body over time takes the shape of that corset and is modeled in that form. So for a lot of us, we like the way it looks a lot more feminine. For some of us, we like how cinched we look when we have a corset on. Then for some of us, it's to reduce our tummy over time. So there are various reasons why people put on a corset. Some may be medically recommended by their doctors, some because of back pain. It helps to relieve the back pain. Some it's to correct their postures. So there are various other reasons apart from fashion and wanting that hourglass shape. There are various reasons why people put on a corset. So those are part of the reasons why people actually